O ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pakawalan. Alam mo ba?
Happy birthday, Shao! Hope you have a good one. We all love you. From Lola, Holly, and Tito Rash. Bye! Bye!
Hello, Shao. Maayong pagsaulog sa imong pagkahimugso nining kalibutan na. Hinaot makagamtaman nimo ang himsog alawas ug malipayong kinabuhi. And more birthdays to come. Kita-kits sa 80 Bats.
Hi, Shao! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy your day. Always know that ako and your Tita Divine are always here for you. Kabalugid mi nga imong mommy wala gid diri personally, but I just want you to know that whatever it is that you need, we are just one call away. And I hope God will continue to do His mighty works in your life. And I'm praying na puhon you will be united physically with your family, and you will be able to finish your nursing studies. I'm looking forward na makita ka graduating soon, and God bless. I know nga God is always with you sa tanan endeavor sa imuhang life, Shao. You are such a blessed person, blessed and favored by the Lord. Happy birthday!
Wow, happy birthday sa imuha. Continue being a good son. I know butan jud kaayo ka, and continue sa imong mga pangandoy. We are here for you as your second parent. Nga kay need, naarami. Enjoy your day. Love you, Shao.
Happy birthday, Shao! Hope you're doing well and you're smashing it with your degree. We hope you have an amazing birthday. Have fun!
What's up, Orbs? Wish you happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your life. I know God has a plan sa imong life, and I'm so excited kung sa may plan ni Lord sa imong life. And God bless. I love you so much.
Hello, Shao. Happy birthday. Oh, time flies now. 20 years ago, you were born. Your mom is very happy. She's having her firstborn child. And we also, friends ng mama mo, happy din. As we all know, a child is always a gift from God. It's been years that you've been on your own, being a good child that you are. Being a good person entails a lot of patience, a lot of decision making to be one, and you manage to be that kind of person. So continue to be a good person, pursue your dreams, never let go of your dreams, keep that fire burning, reach for your goals, achieve it. Young as you are, you have all the opportunities in this world, and your mom will always support you all the way. You have your friends, treat them well. If you make enemies, treat them also well, and just pray if things won't go your way. God will always be there, is always on your side. He never leaves us. He just sometimes if you feel like life is, feel like God is not there, but he actually is there, just looking from afar, looking at you, how well you manage things. And don't you ever forget to call him Jesus Christ always. And as you celebrate your 20th birthday, 2 decades of your life, everyone on earth is happy. The heavens are celebrating. Enjoy your day, and soon you and your mother will be reunited. Happy birthday, Shao.
Kuya, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday, Kuya. Kuya, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat. Peace.
Hello, Shao. This is Ati Cheng. Can you still remember me? Happy birthday. You're so big already. I can still remember the time you were, I think, 7 years old. We had a sleepover, and then mommy needs to go to work early in the morning, and I had a massive headache, and then I went back to bed. So you took some money from your piggy bank and you bought some eggs and paracetamol for me, and then you made breakfast for us, Sishi and I, and then you gave me the paracetamol so I would feel better. Oh, I was really amazed because at such a young age you had shown kindness and compassion, you know. But I won't wonder though, because you've been raised by such a wonderful woman. So happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and continue to be a blessing to others. Thank you for being such a wonderful person. Happy birthday, Shao. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Shao.
Happy birthday.
Padayon sa imong pagkamaayo nga anak and kuya. Swerte kayo yung mama and mga siblings nimo. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi, Shaoli. Happy birthday. I don't know if you still remember me. My name is Joyce. I'm your mom's friend. And I still remember when she was pregnant with you. We were together. We were watching a movie. And there were so many things we did while she was pregnant with you. But one particular time, she was throwing up in the movie theater. And it was just nice memories. We went boating. Yeah, it was amazing. And you've had a lot of adventure while you were in her tummy. But I'm so proud of you. 20 years old, that's a big age. And you're very smart, I heard. And I hope you graduate smoothly. Happy birthday.
Hello, Shao. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and success in life. Continue to be kind and a blessing to other people.
Hi, Kuya Shao. Happy birthday. Thank you for being the best brother in the whole world. I miss you and I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Kuya Shao. Happy 20th birthday. And I just like to let you know that your mom is very lucky to have a son like you. You are the type of person, the type of young man, the type of son that any mother would be proud of. And ako, as your tita, I'm also very proud of you. And I know that you're very smart. You are destined for great things. Laban lang langga. You'll be together with your mom very soon. I know that you're gonna succeed in life. As it is, I already have high respects for you. I know you're gonna make it. And always put God in the center of your life. Make your mom proud always. With that as your goal, you'll never go wrong. Happy birthday, Langga.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Grateful kayo mini wise kay ikaw among nakuya and the second parent na pud ka namo, especially during those times nga na si mami sa UK and ikaw ang nag-alaga namo ni wise mostly dito. And sa imong patience pud knowing duwa ka malditas imong dapat tan-awon. And katupod sa akong mga assignments o oo nga mostly ikaw na jud nagbuhat kay sige ra jud kog hilak about adto sa una kabalo na ka. Ug daghan pa jud kuya, ikaw ra jud na. And wish na ko nimo nga mundang na kataas para maabsan na tika. And also nga maka-graduate na kapuhon and mag-continue pud kog pray ana para makaadto na ka diri kay gimingaw namin nimo. And know nga proud kayo mitanan nimo for studying hard din ha bisag ikaw ra isa. And mao to. Tigulang na ka. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Xiao. Charles, happy birthday. And 20 na ka. 20 na ta. Pero bitaw, I hope, I know nga karon dengan kay nag-surround sa mga people no worth keeping. People who will ground you, who will assure you nga everything that you do is impactful, genuine, pure, and it mixed with genuine motive to help others, to be kind with others, to do good to others. And that's the special thing about you. So please remember every day, not just on your birthday, on how grateful we are to you and how amazing you are as a person. How dedicated you are to yourself, to your loved ones. And please, please, please do always remember how worthy of you being loved. Worthy kay ka sa tanan mga good things, sa tanan mga blessings, sa tanan mga opportunities nga moabot sa imo. Happy birthday, Xiao.
Happy birthday, Xiao. Hi, Xiao. Kumusta na ang akong pinakagwapong apo at the moment? Happy birthday. Uli taon na gayon. Xiao, I'm so proud of you na kaya nimo ang tanan and always a God-fearing. Paghuman gayud sa imong pang-eskwelahan nak aron makaaripog ka ha, we will be all together. I love you. Always be a good boy forever. Love, Lola.
Hello, Xiao. My favorite son. How time flies, you're already 20 years old. I thank God every day, anak, for your life and seeing you how you've grown into this amazing person fills my life, fills my heart with so much pride, anak. And I always pray that your cup will overflow with the goodness and mercy of the Lord. Don't forget, anak, to remain humble, faithful, and forgiving. I love you so much, Xiao. Happy 20th birthday, and I miss you so much. We miss you so much. Nak, na-shock ko kay nakoy natagpuan parehas ni mo og nawong. Oh my God! Happy birthday! Miss lang yun siguro kay Tika. I love you, dong. Hope to see you soon. Take care always.
Do
Xiao.